In this exercise, we will create this animation. I go to After Effects, right click, import, file, exercise 19, and I'm gonna select the Illustrator document here. Click on import. Okay. I'm gonna double click on the composition like this. Here we have all the layers. We have 8 cabins here. We have the wheel and we have the background. I'm gonna right click on the composition settings, and I'm gonna set the duration to 20 seconds. Click on OK. I'm gonna zoom out here on the timeline. I'm gonna make these layers a little bit longer. I'm gonna select all of them like this and drag the layers to the right and make them 20 seconds long. And first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a null object. To do that, I go layer, new, null object. We have our null object here. I'm gonna zoom in and move the null object right here. I want the anchor point to be exactly in the center of the circle. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select cabin 8. I'm gonna press shift and click on wheel, and everything in between will be selected. Now I'm gonna parent all these layers to the null object. I go to the pick whip, click and drag. I go to null 1 and I let go, and just like that, all of these layers are parented to null 1. I'm gonna select null 1, press R, make sure the playhead is here, right here in the beginning of the timeline. I click on the stopwatch. I go all the way to the end, 20 seconds. I click here and I'm gonna make the wheel rotate 1 time. I write 1 and press enter, and now we get this result. The wheel is rotating with the cabins. But of course we don't want the cabins to be upside down like this, so we need to fix this. I'm gonna click on cabin 1, press shift, go to cabin 8, select all the cabins this way, make sure the playhead is right here in the beginning. I'm gonna press R. I bring the rotation. I'm gonna create a keyframe here for all the layers. I click on the stopwatch. I'm gonna go all the way to the end and I'm gonna type -1. -1. I press enter and it applies to all the layers selected. And just like that, I created a keyframe here for every cabin. And now I'm gonna play. Just like that, we solved the problem, and this is the result we wanted. The exercise now is finished. You go do the same and don't forget to save.